Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And let's just jump right into the tutorial. First, I am grabbing my Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer and putting that all over my face. Next, I'm going to be doing my brows. I am using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Taupe. For this look, I am doing a little bit of a thinner brow and a little less arch than I usually do. Next, I'm grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I'm just using the concealer shade to carve out my brows. If you are messy with drawing your brows on, carving them out afterwards definitely gives you more of a clean and precise, structured look. So if you haven't tried it, I definitely would recommend it. And for our shadows, we are using all Jeffree Star shadows today. First up is the Bloodlust palette. You guys, this palette's so beautiful. If you don't have it, I would highly recommend grabbing it. First, take Royal Pain, that is a dusty rose color, and just put that all over in my crease. Next, I am taking High King, which is a muted purple, and I'm just flicking that out on the outer edge. Then I am taking Blood Queen and just packing that in my crease to add some depth. Then I am taking Your Majesty to highlight my brow bone. Before I draw on the sun, I am just using concealer to lay down a cut crease area for the yellow and orange shadows. The best way to map out your cut crease is to put the concealer right at your lash line and then look up. And the concealer will stamp the concealer exactly where you need to lay out the outline of your cut crease. Next, I am grabbing the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, and I'm just going to be using the yellow and the orange shade from this palette. I am packing the yellow shade in the inner corner of my eye and then creating a little bit of an ombre with that orange shadow on the outer crease. After you've laid down your sunset background, it's time to start doing the clouds. I am using my Fenty liquid liner in white to create my clouds. I'm going in with an eyeliner brush first, but then I actually change my mind and go back to the wand that the eyeliner actually comes with. That one was a little bit more precise, and then I go back to the eyeliner brush to slowly blend out the base of the clouds and kind of create an ombre effect with them. Once you get all of your clouds on, I am just putting a little bit of a white shadow at the base and also on my inner corner. And then we're going to move on to foundation. I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. For concealer, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I love this concealer, you guys. If you haven't tried it, definitely give it a go. It's probably top 3 on my list. Next, I'm setting that with my RCMA No Color Setting Powder. And after that, we're going in with Bahama Mama from The Balm to do a little contour and a little bronzing. I am using 2 different eyeliners for this look. On my lower lash line, I'm going in with the Milani Supreme Kohl liner in black. I love this one for my lash line. And then on my top lash, I am going to be using the Mia Adora Overcomer liquid liner. Both are great liners, but definitely they have different purposes. Next, I am grabbing Scandal Water from the Bloodlust palette again and just smoking out my lower lash line and just kind of adding some depth. For my cheek highlight, I am using the Luxe Pro powder in Pearl. actually really like this stuff. It was the first time I used it and I really like it. It's not too intense, but definitely gives you a little bit of shimmer for your cheeks. Then I am topping that with my Sephora blush in Flirted Up. Then moving on to mascara, going in with the Milk Kush mascara. Obviously, this has been my favorite for a while now. Again, if you haven't tried it, definitely check this one out if you're looking for a hydrating mascara. While my mascara is drying, I'm moving on to lips. I'm using the Tarte liner in Latergram. This is honestly my favorite lip liner of all time. Then I'm going in with my Tarte lipstick in the color Salt Life. If you guys are looking for like the perfect mauve-y, pinky nude, I definitely would recommend this one. Then I'm just topping that with the Jeffree Star lip topper in the color Slurp. Next, we're going back into detail the eyes. I'm just grabbing my Lime Crime Zodiac glitter. This is the gold glitter. I think this is the Leo sign. I'm laying down a little bit of lash glue first, then going in, applying the glitter, and I'm mixing that glitter with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner in Midnight Cowboy. I'm also adding that glitter combo to the inner corner of my eyelid just to kind of make that pop a little bit more. And we can't forget lashes. I am using the Goo Goo Hair 3D Mink eyelashes. I get these off Amazon, they're amazing. Next, I'm blending in my eyelashes with the Mia Adora eyeliner again. If you don't do this to blend in your banded lashes, definitely give it a try. And this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if you have tried this cloud trend or if you would wear clouds on your eyes. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!